Store for oil next year. Keith Fitz-Gerald believes that we're not going to have to wait soon for oil at $100 a barrel, perhaps just till the summer. And he joins me now. Keith, I've looked at this for a long time, and I don't disagree with you. I think it was Omicron fears that pushed us lower, and now, as we're moving past that, we're just going to continue to march up.
I think that's the case. It's very much just simple supply and demand. The world is reopening, confidence is coming back, consumers are buying more, they're driving more, they're flying more. We're going to need dinosaur juice at a demand rate that has not been previously foreseen. Couple that with the fact that you had the president shut down the pipeline, stomp all over leasing, admittedly neuter the production supply in this country. It changed the global balance. And so now you've got China, Russia, and OPEC with every incentive to maintain high prices for as long as they can.
Yeah, for sure. And, gas prices had a bit of a drop, 10 cents, right? But they're still up 60% from last year. So American consumers are feeling the pinch from this. And you mentioned, the summer of 2022. That's typically when oil prices are the highest. They peak July 4th. So we've sort of better brace for prices at the pump to go back up and even higher than where they were before.
Yeah, typically, I've got a little audio interference in my ear today. Typically, the summer prices are going to run higher because demand accelerates. But the problem is they're going to stay higher this time around if we don't get a break in either the production capacity and the war on success here in the United States and companies can't realign, or we have a change in administrative policy.
Let me ask you this, because it's sort of, a little bit conflicting. You're bullish on energy. Well, I guess of big oil, they'll be making more money because prices will be going higher. But you're also a Tesla bull. You look at the EV market. Where do you see that going in 2022?
Well, it's not by coincidence that I'm bullish on both of those sectors, because many investors view it as either oil or electricity, but it's really a continuum. So you have to look all the way from dinosaur juice to nuclear fusion, and you've got to have investments along every part of the spectrum. So to me, looking at EVs is a logical next step. The world's going that direction. There's no question about that. So it's about the relationships. Tesla is not just EVs any more than Rivian is. Rivian is in production because it's got a partnership with Amazon and going to make great trucks. If you look at China, for example, they're going to market into the rest of the world. So it, to me, is a continuum. That's why I want to be in both spaces right now.
I hear you. Keith, great to see you. Always a pleasure. And we'll talk to you again soon. Thank you.
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below. And of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.